Hi friends, welcome to DIY Crafty Sewing channel. Today I came with Independence Day special craft. For that I am taking the 2 ribbon pieces which is having the width 1 inch and length 8 centimeters. Now give a heat touch up to the raw edges as shown here. Please make sure raw edges should be converted into curved shape to acquire good flower shape. Do the same procedure for another ribbon piece. Now place the 2 ribbon pieces one over the other as shown here. With the help of needle along with thread, give a running stitch in the middle of the flower as shown in the video. After completion of running stitch, pull the thread as shown here and give secure knot. Then trim out the extra thread. As shown in the video, adjust the petals. Now orange flower is ready. Similarly do the white color flower and green color flower. Now take the needle along with thread. Here I am taking thick thread. Now join all the flowers as shown here by placing in the middle of the flower with pearl bead. While joining all the flowers, I am leaving some gap between each flower. After completion of joining all the flowers, give a secure knot and trim out the extra thread. Now take one Tic Tac or hairpin. Apply some glue on the end of the Tic Tac as shown in the video and attach that flower line to the Tic Tac as shown here. This is the unique craft on the occasion of Independence Day in the YouTube. Hope you like this craft. Now flip all the flowers into back side and give some glue on the thread as shown here. This craft gives nice look when you use it in a loose hair. Give a hand press shown here. Now Independence Day special craft is ready. If you like our video, please like it. If you are not subscribed our channel, please subscribe for more upcoming video updates. Thanks for watching.